most people think of the town of Mount Pleasant, Michigan, they think of casinos, colleges, or a small town where you can raise your family in central Michigan. Or some think of the incredible Dr. Pol. However, if you look around all that and you do a little bit of exploring, you'll find that there's actually some very quaint parks that you can take long hikes through, and beautiful countryside as well. Today, we're going to be exploring Deerfield Nature Park. This is located on M20, aka Remus Road, about 3 miles west of downtown Mount Pleasant. You're still about 3 miles from the College of Central Michigan University and probably 5 to 6 miles away from Soaring Eagle Casino and Resort. Today, we're going to take about a 2.5 mile hike through this beautiful backwoods trail that loops along the Chippewa River. We are taking the Lewis Pontiac Trail, as you saw. I'm joined today by Mom and Dad.
These old carp spawn. Figured out we were here.
All right, and for a PG audience, what was happening there, Dad?
Those were carp up in the shallows where it's warm, and they're actually spawning right now, and there were some males duking it out for some female who obviously wasn't worth it because they gave up.
What type of trees are we seeing through here?
You know, the kind of leaves on them. These are jack pines, tall ones.
Yeah.
Right here's a maple tree. Right here's an oak tree. Not an oak tree. What else has the scruffy bark on it, huh?
I don't know trees.
That's one thing I wanted to do, Peach. I wanted to get better at trees. you think after living, of course, trees don't have fish on them, so that's why.
I've got a couple books downstairs on Michigan trees.
Yeah, I think we've always kind of had those books, and we've just never really bothered to read them.
Well,
we do, but...
When you guys were little, we'd go camping, I would take them and look.
All sorts of little bugs.
fine.
Like roller
I don't want to slow you down.
So this park does offer the option to camp, and right here along the river, we're back on the river's loop now, there are a couple of campgrounds.
Nice.
It is rustic, that's right. Right now we are about a mile back into the park. And I think today this is as far as we're going to go. But yeah, here's the campground. And I don't know if they have more. We did just start discovering this park. But you get to set up right here next to the river. What do you think of this adventure, Mom?
I think that this is a beautiful park. I love walking through the woods. I could do it forever and ever, and I think we've never came up here before, so good
Yeah.
thank you.
How long, how many years has it been that you've been up near this park?
Since 81, isn't it?
I mean, I've driven by it lots of times, but yeah, I don't even know.
Moved back up here in the 80s, right?
Yeah.
It's always new things to discover.
There are new things to discover. You're good at finding it, so good job.
Thanks. Nothing like a good hardwood forest.
Not really pines through this area is like right here.
Mm-hmm.
There's a big grouping of pines, but it's predominantly hardwood.
Yeah, I think we're close to her nest. She's trying to lead us away.
Perfectly capable of flying. Follow me, follow me. We must be getting further away from the nest. She's more comfortable.
Yeah.
Still trying to lead us away. Catch me if you can.
She is determined to get us away from her nest.
Like a long way away from her nest.
Yeah.
All right, 0.5 miles left to go.
Awesome.
If you don't have the Navionics app for hiking, works off GPS.
Not sponsored.
Awesome. Yeah, it's only $10. It's one of the best things I've ever purchased.
And we're just gonna keep following Mama Robin here. So right here, this is the safe zone. You're off of her property.
can, as evidenced by the chipmunk.
Yeah, so we tried to cross this bridge when we were here yesterday, and it's closed right now. You can still walk up here, but we missed the river loop.
That's the trail we should have went on, and there's our little mistake right there.
Yeah, we meant to turn on the river loop.
Instead, we hit Wildwood.
Well, you're used to looking at Wildwood all the time.
Yeah, because we've been following that trail the whole time we've been out here. Smell that?
Oh yeah, that was good.
What was that?
That was a good smell. I farted.
I don't know what that is.
So the trails we used today were the Lewis Pontiac Trail, the River Loop, and Wildwood Pathway. And as you can see, you're able to get about 2 to 3 miles in if you do that. So we recommend this park, and if you're ever in and around the central Michigan area, we recommend you check it out.